Welcome to our first day at EJS. We all met up in Amarillo, drove in. This is our first night of camping. Beautiful area overlooking Canyonlands. We've got a lot of trail riding to do this week. So the first night we're going to help Tread Lightly build some fences around dinosaur footprints. Here, meet up with the Jeep Talk Show crew. Tread Lightly, we're going to do a trail cleanup. Should be a pretty good time. It's windier don't get out, so we'll see how the footage works out. You can't really replace the scenery out here. Obviously this is more about Tread Lightly. I'll try to get some information for everybody about that.
Sounds like a good plan. Generally I watch what Bob does and I try and not do that when I'm successful. We're gonna do that right now.
We all met up on this bluff to build this buck and rail fencing. They have these pretty cool dinosaur footprints up there. They've got them all surrounded by rocks. And there's other areas where we can see where something is running up the hill. They said raptor, who knows? But still pretty cool. And we got to do this to try to make sure we preserve the trail for everybody. Those were some pretty cool dinosaur footprints. The Ladies Offroad Network was helping Tread Lightly organize all of this out there. And then all of us with the Jeep Talk Show was out trying to help build this fencing. But there were many others as well. But it was a good cause to try to protect the land, and it was a nice day for it as well. Just a little windy. If you've never heard of Tread Lightly or the Ladies Offroad Network, I'll leave those links below. But we also ran across some cryptobiotic soil. It's a living organism that grows on the soil itself. And when that's destroyed, people use that to try to shut the trails down. So if you see this, please stay away from it. Little Willis there sounds really good. I think it had a V6 plaque on the side, but it sure sounds like a V8. Formations are always incredible.
Like you went further right, it wouldn't be so bad. That works too.
The videos from EJS only get more epic from here. Next, we're in beautiful Chicken Corners, epic scenery, a rite of passage. You definitely want to see this. I'll see you there.